Put that aside for a moment, and let's start with the time control. Now, in After Effects, most things do not play back in real time, but instead they RAM preview. Or, in other words, they render to the RAM to allow it to play back in real time. Now, from the time control window, we can click on this RAM preview button, and it'll begin rendering, showing you here by the green. And when it's finished, it'll begin to play back. Now, we can also set the work area. So if we grab this and drag it in, we can render just a specific region. And that's good because that way you can focus on any one part of your entire composition.
ये तो छोटा कर देना। ये हमारी कंपोजिशन का टोटल टाइम है, मतलब 0 सेकेंड से 30 सेकेंड की कंपोजिशन।
दरवाजा बंद करके जाना। Hello. Hello, baby.
ये कोई कर्सी रखा है? जोड़ो पीछे तो हाँ ये मतलब ये छोटा आराम से कैसे
देख मंटी इल्लू को देख 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 देख